Yo, what's good, guys? So today we're gonna be unboxing our own keycap. Now, this is a game I found called Unbox a Keycap, and well, let's unbox ours. So right over here, we can see we have some keycaps, and we can walk on them. And I did complete the tutorial to not interrupt the video, but it makes us money just like that one. What was it? Clean Your Keycaps game? The game I did a video on. Okay, now let's own a Ooh, keycap box. Place it here. And now let's wait for it to unlock. Okay, do I click on it? Or what do I do? Um, open all boxes. Um, what do I do? Yo, 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 yo. How do I open this thing? What's this skip thing? Okay, I don't understand this game so far. 1K though, we got that. Uh, auto collect, no. What do I do? Genuinely, what do I do to unbox this? Inventory, boxes, items, nothing. You just have a cash potion. Like, come on, bro. Can this thing unlock? This is so weird. Um, Divine bo 1 billion bucks? Are you kidding me? Okay, let's buy this, I guess. Uh, do we collect things? Collect? Oh, now! Let's go. Okay, we got a keycap. You can see right here. Now let's place it down somewhere. Okay, good. I just realized that there's a machine above my keyboard. Wait, can we on? Okay, well, I guess we have to put it in that thing on this yellow pad right here. Let's see. Oh my god, I need that rare box right now. Walk on these. We need to walk on these. Uh, wait. Why didn't I get the cash? Collect money? Okay, now I understand. Now I understand. Okay, though, I don't think I'm gonna get this anytime soon, so screw you. And, well, let's just see what we get. Come on. Okay, well, I guess let's grab this again and put it on the yellow pad. Now, 10 seconds, I guess. Let's walk on this. Yo, can I hire a worker or something? Can I hire a worker? E? Can I now? Okay, what the heck? What the actual? Hello? Um, I'm clicking E right now, I swear. Then let's upgrade that. Okay, +1 keycap. Oh, come on. What do I do? Literally, what do I do? This is so weird. I need a obby. What's this? Okay, there's an obby here. As you guys know, I suck at obbies. So the see, I told you. I told you, bro. Come on. Oh, why do I suck? No, actually, why do I suck? Why? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Jump, jump, jump. Oh my god. Why do I keep pressing the. Okay, guys, by the way, if you are wondering why my controls are so bad, I just got a new laptop, so. Great. Let's just. Order this, man. You need to buy it. Oh my god, man. This is actually so weird. Item shop. Rebirth one needed. Okay. Yo, we can upgrade. Auto drop. Okay. Oh wait. Yes. Now there's balls falling. Okay, Ayo. 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 Get a different crate. Can we upgrade this? Can we upgrade this conveyor? I mean, I think we got pretty lucky on that one roll where we got a 1 billion buck. What am I? A 1 billion box, I guess. That was pretty lucky, not gonna lie. We're getting trash, man. And I can't even 17k, and I can't even open these crates. I guess I'm done, bro. I'm done. If you guys know how to do this, then tell me, but I guess bye bye.